Hi. This is a video how to return SIM card and pocket Wi-Fi via convenience store. Let's check it out. There are two ways how to return the SIM card and pocket Wi-Fi. One via post mail and two via convenience store. Let's try via convenience store. Step 1. Form return preparation. Prepare package box, smart pick card, SIM card or pocket Wi-Fi or both in return form. Step 2. Fill out the return form. Fill out the return form according to your personal data and the reason for the return. Step 3. Put everything in the package box and seal. And then prepare Chakuburai form and fill it. If you don't have Chakuburai form, you can come to the nearest convenience store and ask Chakuburai form to the cashier. Step 4. How to fill Chakuburai form. The first column is filled with the data for delivery destination. The second column is filled with sender data or the personal data.
The last column will be filled by the cashier, and you can leave it blank. Make sure warm mono and fragile has been marked.
This is an example when the Chakuburai form is filled. Step 5. Send the package box. If the package box is ready, you can give it to the cashier to be sent. You can send packages in various forms of packages. Don't forget to visit mashuptokyo.myshopify.com. Thanks for watching.